Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. I'm so happy that you're here. We're gonna have a great time unboxing a Jomar Wholesale box. I actually don't know which we are unboxing quite yet because I ordered so much that my hallway is full of boxes and there's 4 or 5 from Jomar. So I'm gonna go grab one and then we're gonna open it together. I'll pull my invoice out and tell you what I spent on it, and it's gonna be a good time. Yeah, Quenby, that's not really a very strong intro to tell your friends on the channel that you have no idea what we're unboxing today. Okay, I went and grabbed us this one because it's not really a box. It's just a giant poly mailer. So I don't think this is the shoes that I ordered from Jomar. I just love Jomar, you guys. I am an affiliate. I do have a discount link. If when you're shopping, you put The Grateful Queen, all one word, under your order when you check out, when it says discount link, you'll get 10% off. That's awesome. And thank you to anyone who uses my link. I really do appreciate it. It really helps me out. But I've ordered so much from them lately. I've ordered Rebecca Taylor blouses. I can't wait to see that. Bathing suits, shoes. And the other thing I love about Jomar is if you're really committed to secondhand and you resell maybe for environmental reasons, like keeping things out of landfills and giving things a second chance, they still sell pre-owned boxes too. Those take a lot longer to get here, I'm not gonna lie. I have one I've been waiting on for like 2 months, but that's okay. These boxes that are the other stuff I ordered came super fast. So let's get this open. Okay, let's awkwardly open this all up. I need like a little table or something for when I'm doing my hauls. They are usually pretty good about putting an invoice in. So here we go, making lots of noise on your video. Good thing I got this really nice new sensitive mic so you could hear all the unboxing. Oh shoot, hold on. Okay. There should be some sort of course you have to take before you're allowed to make YouTube videos for the public. Okay guys, I'm super excited. This is the Rebecca Taylor stuff. So Rebecca Taylor is kind of a high-end women's brand. It's sold at stores like Nordstrom. I have a couple pieces in my own wardrobe from the brand, but they retail for like $200 and more sometimes. So this is Rebecca Taylor Spring Women's New Samples, 10 pieces. I got some other new tag sample stuff. It usually means that the sizes are only like small and extra small because that's all they make for samples. Anyway, so this was $100 for sale on their site for 10 pieces, so 10 bucks each. Plus there's gonna be tax and there's gonna be shipping. Usually when I do the unboxings, I show you like a first peek inside the box. It's a little harder with this poly mailer bag, but there we go. They've just folded things really nicely. So I'm gonna set these out here so that we can get into them. Oh gosh. And with the sample stuff, it has a new tag usually, but it's new tag sample. All right, here we go. I hope there's a couple things in here I might be able to keep for myself, but I'm not usually a small or extra small. I'm more like a 10, 12. Oh my gosh, so cute. Now, okay, this is interesting. Here we go. So this is like a gauzy white blouse with a peplum hem. So if it goes in at the waist like that and then there's like a ruffle detail, but look at the neckline. There's no tag. It does not say Rebecca Taylor. So I'm hoping there's something. I see this. Okay. So it's not like when I resell it on eBay or Poshmark. Oh my God, I forgot to do my intro again. I swear I was so good at doing videos when I first started, and now I'm just too excited about the mystery boxes and I forget to do the intro. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Quenby and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark. So I buy these boxes and I do thrift hauls and things to find items to sell online for profit. It's a half-time, no, it's a part-time gig for me. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I have another channel called The Grateful Therapist where I talk all about mental health, grief, anxiety, working with teenagers, that kind of stuff. So I'd love to see you over there, and I'm so glad you are here. And if you are one of my friends from my reselling community on the channel, I love you. Thank you for watching. I'm so glad you're here too. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, so when I go to sell this, like I'm gonna put new other or something, because here's the sample tag. Let's take a look at what info is on here. So it's like, somebody's just gonna, it says Rebecca Taylor. It says size medium, but this looks tiny to me. You know, so somebody's just gonna have to understand, yes, it's a new, never worn item. It doesn't even say Rebecca Taylor on it anywhere. And it has no tag. I wonder if they're all gonna be like that. And Jomar does let you know that stuff. Ooh, a dress. Oh, gorgeous. Look at this. How do I show you a really long maxi? First, I have to figure out how it works. Like, okay, it's got some complicated crisscross design. You'll have to trust me. It's a beautiful kind of coral pink, long, gauzy maxi dress. I'm showing you the fabric up close because it's lined, and see how it's like semi-sheer? A gorgeous color. So, and it's got this open back, this cross back. Hopefully I can find some stock photos or something. When I got the Free People stuff, it still had the Free People number or style name on the tag, so I could look it up. This has 0 tags. Like, this doesn't even have the sample tag inside. So I honestly, I don't know what to do about that. Like, it doesn't even have the other tag. So, I mean, I think I'll have to just say new other and say I got this in a wholesale lot and just trust that someone doesn't mind. Like, it doesn't even say Rebecca Taylor. So this one does though. So this one says, I don't know. There's a new world for me. New with tag samples. The Free People stuff all had the Free People tag and even a little new paper tag as well. It's 10 sell. It's a shirt dress. Oh God, cute though. Very laggin' look. You guys know that's like one of my best selling categories. It has a baby doll hemline. It's sort of a brown rust color. Look at all that pleating on the skirt, and then oh God, yes, embroidery. Detailed embroidery. I hope this fits me. Look at all that heavy embroidery. Now, friends of the channel know I live in Northern California. I'm a total boho girl. I love ruffles, crochet, lace, embroidery, any of that stuff. I'm such a sucker. This is super oversized. And I don't know, this probably isn't gonna be super flattering on me. It'll look like I'm in a brown paper bag, but on somebody, yes. What's this? Is this like a comb over? Let me go deal with this. Okay, and this is a gorgeous blazer, a women's blazer. Black, kind of a textured knit, like I would put tweed, and it's got like a black and white trim, really gorgeous. And oh, this has a tag. Interesting. This doesn't have, I don't know what's going on here, you guys. This has a tag, but it doesn't say Rebecca Taylor, or it doesn't have a sample tag or anything. Eek, I don't know how to sell that, so we will see. I'll do a little research, and all this stuff was disclosed by Jomar in the listing. Like, it probably said new with tag samples, may or may not have tags and all that. Look at this, like, silky stuff. Look at that print on there. Isn't that just like so pretty, whatever this is? Gorgeous, very feminine. Another dress, oh so pretty. A very long kind of fancy dress in this purple. It goes all the way down and it's lined and it's like kind of semi-sheer. Really gorgeous. Let's see if this has any tags. I wonder if these are items that were put into production by Rebecca Taylor. I might be able to use those names and stock photos if I do some research. Yeah, because this has 0 tags as well. Nothing that identifies it as Rebecca Taylor. So living and learning that if I'm going to be buying new samples that I have to know this. Look at this with the eye cap print. It's a long skirt. Teeny tiny, like probably an extra small. White, heavy cotton it feels like with a blue eye cap print. And again, there's just no labels. It's very clear these are new. Like if a customer got this, they would know. It feels like it's never been washed. It's definitely new. And it would probably have to be a customer that is somewhat familiar. Oh, here this has a tag in here. 40% linen, but it doesn't have a name on it. Like it doesn't say, oh, it's a 00. It doesn't say Rebecca Taylor. It's just like an inside material tag here. So it's going to probably have to be a customer that is aware of the brand and knows the styles. They're very beautiful pieces. These are gorgeous higher end pieces, just not marked. And I will be so explicit in my listings. I'm not worried about it. Okay, a pair of pants. These are like career trousers. Super cute blue high-waisted with a white pinstripe. Whenever I have anything like a blazer or pants, I'll do the descriptive words. Like I'll say, women's pants, size extra small, blue pinstripe. And then I'll put career, work, trouser. Sometimes I'll put business. Again, no tags of any kind that I can see. So I will just detail all of this. Those feel gorgeous. All these pieces feel like such high quality. The fabric. Another pair of high-waisted, oh, these are like a sailor trouser. Oh, this one does have a sample tag inside. Rebecca Taylor, size 2. So I like when it has at least this inside because then I can take pictures of it for the buyers. These are like a high-waisted, almost like a sailor front because they're flat front like that, and then they come down to a very wide trouser leg. Gorgeous, really gorgeous. And that's a style for 2021. We're going to see that wide leg jean. Okay, a couple more pieces here. Ooh, some denim. Okay, this is cute. These are a pair of shorts. Is this in, like, I need to look at 2021 summer, what's in for shorts this year, because these are, they look like career pants, right? Brown plaid, but they're like a Bermuda walking length. Is that going to be in style for 2021? Let me know if you know. These are like, but they're cool. The way they have like the pocket drops way down and back. Really cute on those. And then denim. I love some denim. This is so cute. Look at this. A denim distressed skirt. What a great wash and cut on that. Now, does it say on the... No, this one says La Vie. I was going to say, does it say Rebecca Taylor? What's La Vie? Does anyone know? The brand La Vie. By the time I do this video, I will have probably looked it up and I will put it on the screen for you if I learn anything. This is super cute and nice, but I wonder if it is like all the same brand, like Rebecca Taylor. I've seen on some of their other items, like I just ordered a J. Crew box from them. I got one. They sold out in a minute. And it said like J. Crew shoebox, and then it says in the print, in the description, maybe other brands that are also sold at J. Crew, like Nike and Vans. So sometimes that's in the description, Rebecca Taylor or other brands sold at the same store or something. So what do you think of the box? I think it's pretty awesome. I've got a little research to do and a way to figure out the best way to sell stuff that's sample and not necessarily tagged. Thanks for watching. I really love having you here, and I'll see you in the next video, friends. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love ya. See you next time. Bye. There should be some kind of course someone does where they teach you tips for hauling and how to make like good YouTube videos. I love you guys for coming. Hold on. I do not know what to do with this box. I'm just going to open it. Really weird like hair hanging down here. That's one of the things about getting this new camera that I invested in 2020. It's like it's much better quality so you see everything, and I'm not so sure that's a great thing for me. Let me check out, because I know I've had to like redo a video because I have like ridiculous hair. That has happened to me before. So I'd rather not be in that position this time. Like